In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glow effect by using Blender's Compositor Blur node. This is how the scene looks like, and the glow will only appear once we apply the composition to the final render image. I'll show you how this text object was created. After editing the text, I typed R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis, and added extrude and bevel afterward. This rotation effect was created by changing the camera's rotation like this. Let's take a look at the material details. I'm using cycles with denoise turned off, and I'm using a forest EXR file as the HDRI. If you don't know how to find this file, please watch the tutorial in the description below. Here are the full nodes. We can fully customize the glow effect like this. Even the glow colors can be changed. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.